Hi, this is Gold and today it's Tuesday, 3rd of September 2013 and the time is 11:52 GMT. We are looking at the H4 time frame of the precious metal and I'm going to use three different systems alone and combined for this technical analysis study. So I'm going to remove Ichimoku and I will leave Bollinger Bands, Alligator and Fractals first. I will also remove MACD and then we will look at the precious metal using the other systems. So for Bollinger Bands system, you see Bollinger Bands, you see Alligator, the three colored lines, it is a Bill Williams indicator, and you see the fractals, these purple arrows, these are also a Bill Williams indicator. So we had on the H4 time frame, we had a valid fractal, a bullish reversal fractal on the lower Bollinger Band. It's a bifractal because leading alligator is slightly curved upwards. And let's go to smaller time frame, to H1. We see that we had a valid bifractal 3 candlesticks ago here. After a very strong consolidation phase, we see leading alligator angled upwards, and this is a very strong buy signal. On the daily time frame, we see that we had a valid bifractal below the median line of Bollinger Bands, marginally below, and leading alligator is slightly curved upwards. We had this corrective move, but now it's slightly curved upwards. Let's see on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this strong bullish move is not completed yet, and we see that the edges of the Bollinger Bands are not turned inward, they are slightly turned outwards, both of them, which means that Bollinger Bands are getting prepared with this rubber effect to expand in order to contain the increased volatility of the price, and the price is expected to move to the upper Bollinger Band direction, because that's where it goes, and leading alligator is very confident and very clear about that. Okay, let's see on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, although everything was looking bearish, leading alligator starts turning slightly, and we see that if the Bollinger Band, the lower Bollinger Band, becomes horizontal, we will know that this reversal is valid. So back to H4, everything looks bullish. Let's go to H1. Yes, everything looks bullish. On M30, yes, we had a very strong buy fractal on the lower Bollinger Band. The upper Bollinger bar sell fractal is invalid because leading alligator was curved upwards, not downwards. Okay, so it's invalid. We forget it. We don't pay attention to it. M15, valid fractal on lower Bollinger Band. Everything looks bullish. I will remove this system and I will I will insert MACD and I will insert PSAR, although it's not necessary. So we see on the M15 time frame The histogram is above zero line, is bullish on MACD. Signal line is running upwards inside the histogram, the bullish histogram, and the lines of the histogram are increasing, are getting taller, which means bullish histogram, bullish momentum is increasing. So we expect a strong bullish move here. We see that the PSAR dots are clearly bullish and they are in a distance from the candlesticks. They are not approaching the candlesticks. Okay. The picture on the M30 time frame is we see here that a bullish histogram is being built, and the move will happen as soon as MACD signal line touches the histogram and starts running inside it. So the next candlestick on M30 may be a strong bullish candlestick. H1, we see that we had the bullish, the histogram, the bearish histogram almost died, and we expect the bullish histogram to start building up here. PSAR is giving us bullish dots, and they are far away from the price. That's very bullish. On H4 time frame, we see that the signal line is just popping out of the histogram. So the smaller this last line of the histogram gets, the higher the possibility for signal line to pop out. When it pops out, we have a strong reversal. A reversal from what? From this fall. So we expect to have a strong bullish move. That's what the H4 time frame tells us using this system. On the daily time frame, we had the signal line popping out of the histogram a few days ago, and we had this bearish move, but now the histogram is building higher, the bullish histogram, so we expect the signal line to touch it again and continue the uptrend. Okay. On the weekly time frame, we see that there is the signal line has popped out of the histogram weeks ago, and the bearish histogram is losing strength. That means bearish momentum is decreasing, and gradually bullish momentum is increasing. And we see the PSAR dots far away from the price and very strongly bullish. So up is where the metal goes. On the monthly time frame, everything looks bearish, but we don't know what will happen till the signal line touches the zero level, because it's highly possible that this bearish histogram here is all we see, and after that we see a bullish histogram being built. So if the bullish histogram is built, then signal line will start running inside it, so everything will be strongly bullish. So it's a bit premature to say from the monthly time frame. So back to H4 or to H1, everything looks bullish, and I am going to remove now these indicators, and I will use Ichimoku, and we'll see what Ichimoku says regarding the precious metal at a certain time point. So on the H4 time frame, we see that the pair, let me insert a shape here. We see that the price crossed above Tenkan-sen, the red line, during this candlestick, and while it was going down, it failed to cross below Tenkan-sen, and it reversed. That's very very strong, a strong sign. We also see that Chikuspan was not going down, but now it's going up, but it still remains below past price action. We want to see it up here. So this is the critical zone for H4 time frame. I'm going now to remove this, and we see that the leading Kumo has a slope upwards, and an upward move is expected rather than a downward one. The biases remain bullish. We see that the Kumo is sloping upwards, and that's definitely bullish. Let's go to H1. On H1 time frame, we see that the price is about to make a bullish Kumo breakout, and we want to see Chikuspan going above past price action, but also above the Kumo. So it will give us a strong and valid signal as soon as price is somewhere here, so that Chikuspan is somewhere here. So we probably have to wait for a proper bullish signal to be generated, but we can enter long now. Let's go to M30. M30, we had the bullish Kumo breakout already. We see Chikuspan going straight up above past price action, above the Kumo. Everything looks bullish here. The Kumo is horizontal, so I expect a strong move, very strong move. Everything looks bullish on M15. Everything looks bullish on M5. Everything looks bullish on M1. Although Chikuspan should go above past price action, and we should wait for such a move here to enter long. We want a clearly strong bullish candlestick above the Kumo to enter long. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. Okay, price made this, was attracted by the flat top Kumo, which acts as a magnet. It was attracted, but it resisted the attraction, and now it resumes its uptrend. And we see the sharp edge of the leading Kumo, which is pointing upwards. On the weekly time frame, we see that price crossed above Tenkan Sen. Now it's getting ready to close above Kijun Sen, which will be a very strong signal, a second signal, bullish signal. And Chikuspan is going up, but not above past price action and above Kumo yet. So it will take time for Chikuspan to turn bullish. Although the picture is bearish, biases are bullish. So let's see on the monthly. On the monthly time frame, we see that the price digged inside the support of the Kumo, the solid rock of the Kumo, and bounced back, and it's resuming. That's the picture here. We will know it for sure as soon as Chikuspan goes above past price action, and it probably will take 1 month unless we see a very strong move here. So this is the picture from using the Ichimoku system. Enter long, buy now, place your stop loss at a safe place somewhere below this spike, maybe on H4 time frame, and get ready for a profitable ride upwards. Thanks for watching, and happy pips.